Stop the clocks, give me a minute, I'll throw the curtains wide. Free my mind and let my thoughts run wild. It's a clear night, but to this view I am blind. Me and this town have never seen eye to eye. So I'll drop the clutch and then I'll hit the open road. Leave the buildings basking in my dust. And God knows I need this way more than I've ever shown. Me in this town, we've had issues of trust. Is this stitching time? Cause I can't lose my sanity. Either way, my bags are outside the door. I'll leave this town waiting.